Welcome back to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're exploring https://www.solflare.com. Solflare presents itself as a comprehensive platform for managing your Solana-based assets. It aims to provide a secure and user-friendly interface for interacting with the Solana blockchain. The platform boasts a variety of features designed to cater to both novice and experienced users. From what I've seen, Solflare offers a range of functionalities, including creating and managing wallets, staking SOL, and interacting with decentralized applications, dApps. The promise of a streamlined experience for managing your Solana holdings is certainly attractive. One of the key aspects highlighted on the Solflare website is its emphasis on security. They promote robust security measures to protect user funds, which is paramount in the cryptocurrency space. This focus on safeguarding assets is crucial for building trust and ensuring users feel confident using their platform. The website also appears to offer resources and guides to help users understand the nuances of Solana and the various functionalities available within the Solflare ecosystem. It appears Solflare supports various wallet types, allowing users flexibility in how they manage their keys and access the Solana network. This flexibility can be particularly appealing to users with varying levels of technical expertise. Whether you prefer a web-based wallet, a browser extension, or a mobile application, Solflare seems to provide options to accommodate different preferences. The ability to stake SOL directly through the Solflare platform is also a noteworthy feature. Staking allows users to participate in securing the network and potentially earn rewards. This can be an attractive option for those looking to actively engage with the Solana ecosystem and contribute to its overall stability. Solflare's apparent integration with various dApps suggests a wider ecosystem of applications and services accessible directly through their platform, expanding the possibilities for users. Overall, from what I've gathered from their website, Solflare seems to offer a comprehensive suite of tools for managing your Solana assets. Their focus on security, user-friendliness, and a variety of functionalities makes them a compelling option for anyone looking to delve into the Solana ecosystem. I encourage you to check out the link in the description and explore Solflare for yourself. As always, do your own research and due diligence before engaging with any cryptocurrency platform.